Replacement guide of ML080LL800TS LCD for Fagor 800T. Step 1. Remove the front and back covers by loosening and removing the screws. Step 2. Remove the cable tie holding the wires. Be careful not to damage the wires. Then, unplug the LCD connectors and remove the front cover. Step 3. Using screwdrivers, carefully lift the display mounts. Step 4. Cut another cable tie and unplug the connectors from the circuit board, then unscrew it from the unit. Step 5. Unscrew and remove the old display. Step 6. Get your ML080LL800TS LCD and loosen the screws on the sides. Now, slide the mounts, then tighten them after adjusting. Step 7. Screw the LCD onto the unit. For proper installation, you may need to adjust the LCD mount. Step 8. Using a cable tie, secure the power supply to the back cover. Step 9. Plug the video cable into the LCD and connect the other end to the display board. Step 10. Connect the power supply cables and reinstall the back cover. Step 11. Check the LCD display. Step 12. Reinstall the front cover and secure them using the screws. And now you're done. Visit T2industrial.com to learn more.